This one is a gray box. This is a tile wall surface. This is a flash on. Yeah. So put on this one, the faceplate. Yeah, make sure this is a we laid your you need a mirror. You need a mirror, just this here. Yeah, so yeah, so is 2 3/4 inch and outside. For example, you need like this one is too short, so it means your gray box is installed too deeply, so you need a longer this extension. But I'll recommend for this extension like this one. Okay, the faceplate put on your tie wall, so is 2 3/4 inch, so it's extension. Okay, and right now I demo this one. So yeah, so cannot drop. Can you see? No drop, no gap. So this is a 2-screen Tyson. So can you see the no gap? Yeah. So if your shower head is drip down a little, so I think maybe your gray box valve, this gray box is too deep or is not keep level. Can you see this one? Can you see this one? Is not keep. You should keep level. So this shower head is keep level. For example, this drop, so this is not keep level. Can you see this one? Water, yeah, level like this one, yeah. But maybe you like this one is not keep level, so the shower head is drop a little. So you can see, I put on the shower head. The shower head cannot. Can you see here? Cannot shake. So I think your gray box installation a little deep, and also this gray box is not keep level. Yeah.